that are related with genetics and DNA. A very interesting field out there. The very first question is, what is genetics? Genetics is the branch of biology that focuses on the study of genes, heredity, and variations in living organisms. Now, what is DNA? It's a molecule. This DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. It's a molecule that carries the genetic instructions necessary for growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all kinds of living organisms. Now, the next question is, what is gene? A gene is a segment of DNA that encodes the instructions for building specific proteins or functional ribonucleic acid molecules. Genes are the units of heredity. Now, how does DNA replication work? To answer this question, DNA replication is the process by which a cell duplicates its DNA before cell division. Like enzymes, they unwind the DNA double helix, and each strand serves as a template for the synthesis of a new complementary strand. This ensures genetic continuity in daughter cells. Now, what is DNA mutation? A very interesting question. A DNA mutation is a permanent alteration in the DNA sequence. Mutations can be caused by various factors, such as environmental agents or the errors during DNA replication. What is genetic inheritance? Now, to answer this question, genetic inheritance is the process by which traits are passed from parents to their offsprings through their genes. It involves the transmission of genetic information contained in its DNA. What is dominant allele? A dominant allele is a version of gene that when present masks the effects of a recessive allele in heterozygous individuals. Examples, humans. The allele for brown eyes is dominant over the allele for blue eyes. Now, what is genetic variation? To answer this question, genetic variation refers to the diversity of alleles and genes within a population. It is essential for the adaptability and evolution of species over time. How does DNA determine protein synthesis? To answer this question, DNA sequence encodes the information needed to build proteins through a process called transcription. DNA is transcripted into messenger RNA. This messenger RNA is then translated into a sequence of amino acids, forming a protein. Genetic engineering involves manipulating an organism's DNA to introduce new traits, modify the existing traits, or transfer genes between different species. And